Right now, police are looking for these two sisters they say used an assault rifle and handgun during a home invasion robbery. Police say 21-year-old Elise and 18-year-old Leah Faison are both wanted for the robbery. It happened back on May 8th in San Bernardino. The robbers were last seen in either a white Honda Civic or BMW sedan. Elise is 5 foot 5 inches tall and her sister Leah is 5 foot 9 inches tall. Police believe the pair may be hiding out of state. Anybody with any information should call detectives. Katie Johnston for CBS LA.